I am standing in St. Helena. You see this place right here? It was built at the start of the Civil War. Look at it. The old church is original. It had got in bad shape, about to collapse. And a couple of women here, the old people taking care of it, couldn't do it anymore. It just so happens that Laverne King, boats contractors in Baton Rouge, he is from this area. So they went to him and said, Laverne, we can't do the church anymore. It's falling to pieces, it's old. Look around, people. It is absolutely pristine. He moved in here about 6-7 years ago, manicured the land, completely redid the inside of the church original. And if you walk out through the cemetery, it's amazing. There's about 4 names in the whole cemetery, maybe 5. I just took a walk dead down through the center and back, and all I saw was 4 different names. This cemetery has been here since the start of the Civil War. It's amazing. You can't see it from here. It's completely rural. You don't hear any traffic. Out there at the end of this driveway is gravel. Nothing but dirt and gravel in any direction. And it's miles back to the main road. If it's just rural now, go back a couple 100 years and think about it. Where did these people come from? Why did they build out here? There's no river, no canal, no lake close, which back then was the highways. It now, but this is where it's at, and it's still here today. I mean, it's a beautiful place. I am here for Starkey's Farmstead. They are going to renew their vows today. That's my daughter and my son-in-law.
Samuel.
Yeah, that's how I see them.
We're good. We inside the church. This church is, like I say, is original. That's the pastor in the center. Starkey Farmstead is renewing their vows. The little church on the inside. This is Shiloh Baptist Church, built in 1860. The little church is too small to baptize inside, so they came out here and built this little garden for the baptism. This church is so rural, you can't see it now, it's so manicured and pretty. Right the other side of that white fence is a gravel and dirt road. It's miles in either direction to the main highway. You don't hear any traffic, not a sound. It is so solitude, so solitude and quiet. And like I said a while ago, I walked down through the cemetery, turned around and walked back. I saw 5 different family names. Only 5 family names. This is on the road going to the little church.
Oh, watch it.
I'm in the back seat. I'm going to try to get a little bit of the gravel road in front of us.
What was that? My chain.
This is
Look
how
to your
rural
left.
that church is.
Now, I know she does.
Now,
I would feel the same
that
way.
is a pretty sky.
No, sometimes I feel left out and I'm right.
I've seen one quite like that.
The last time she was here was Mary's first birthday.
This was the ending of a perfect day. Going inside the church, on the way home from the church. You can't beat that.